Today, we're going to make your Spanish feel much more real, much more everyday, and honestly, much more useful. We're talking about daily routine verbs, especially the reflexive ones, the ones you use when the action comes back to you. In plain English, that means things like I wake up, I get up, I get dressed, I go to bed. These are things you do to yourself, or that happen to you as part of your routine. In Spanish, these very common daily routine verbs often travel with a little word like me, te, or se. Don't worry about fancy grammar labels. Just think of these little words as tiny boomerangs. The action goes out and then comes right back to the person. So wake up is despertarse. If I say me despierto, that means I wake up. Literally something like I wake myself up. But don't translate too hard. Just feel it as the natural Spanish way to say I wake up. Let's build the core set you'll use all the time. Me despierto means I wake up. Me levanto means I get up. Me visto means I get dressed. Me acuesto means I go to bed. Notice the pattern? Me, me, me. Very handy. When you're talking about your own routine, me is your best friend. Tiny word, big job. How do you say I wake up at 7 in Spanish? Me despierto a las 7. Me despierto a las 7. Good. A las 7 means at 7. You'll hear a lot with time. A las 8, a las 9. And one useful little side note, we say a la 1, but a las 2, a las 3, because 1 o'clock is singular and the others are plural. Spanish likes that kind of detail. Now let's try the next one. How do you say I get up quickly in Spanish? Me levanto rápido. Me levanto rápido. Nice. Levantarse is to get up. So me levanto is I get up. And rápido means quickly. You could also hear temprano, early. Me levanto temprano means I get up early. Very useful if you want to sound disciplined, even if your snooze button knows the truth. Next, one of the most practical daily verbs of all, vestirse, to get dressed. The form me visto means I get dressed. This one changes a little inside. Vestir becomes visto. Don't panic. Just memorize the chunk me visto. Learn it like one piece. How do you say I get dressed for work in Spanish? Me visto para el trabajo. Me visto para el trabajo. Excellent. Para el trabajo means for work. And yes, el trabajo is work or job. If you want to say for school, that's para la escuela. Me visto para la escuela. Now the evening version. Acostarse, to go to bed. Again, the verb changes a little, but the chunk is easy. Me acuesto, I go to bed. How do you say I go to bed late? Me acuesto tarde. Me acuesto tarde. Perfect. Tarde can mean late. Be careful though. Por la tarde means in the afternoon. Same word, different use. Spanish loves context. So, me acuesto tarde is I go to bed late. But por la tarde means in the afternoon. Let's make this feel even more natural. In Spanish, once you know the reflexive pattern, you can swap the little word depending on who's doing the action. Me for I, te for you, se for he or she. So, me despierto, I wake up. Te despiertas, you wake up. Se despierta, he or she wakes up. Same idea with the others. Me levanto, te levantas, se levanta. Me visto, te vistes, se viste. Me acuesto, te acuestas, se acuesta. Don't try to memorize every table right now. For A2, I want you to hear the rhythm. Little pronoun plus verb. Me levanto, te levantas, se levanta. That rhythm will save you. Let's use a couple more. How do you say you wake up very early in Spanish? Te despiertas muy temprano. Te despiertas muy temprano. Very good. Muy temprano, very early. And if you're talking to a friend, this is exactly the kind of sentence you'll use. How do you say she gets up at 6 in Spanish? Se levanta a las 6. Se levanta a las 6. Great. Notice we didn't need to say ella unless we really want emphasis or need to be extra clear. Se levanta already tells the story. Now here's a super important idea. Some verbs can be reflexive or not, depending on what you mean. For example, vestir means to dress someone else. Visto al niño means I dress the child. But me visto means I get dressed. So if the action comes back to you, use the reflexive form. Same idea with despertar. Despierto al perro means I wake up the dog. Me despierto means I wake up. Tiny word, big difference. Let's keep it practical. How do you say then I get dressed and leave the house? Luego me visto y salgo de casa. Luego me visto y salgo de casa. Excellent. Salgo de casa means I leave the house. Nice, useful phrase. Also, luego means then. You can also use después, later or afterward. Then I get dressed could begin with luego or después. Both are common. Let's make a mini routine together. Listen first. Me despierto a las 7. Me levanto rápido. Me visto. Salgo de casa. Por la noche, me acuesto tarde. That's a whole little day in Spanish. Now I want you to notice that these reflexive pronouns usually come before the verb when the verb is by itself. Me despierto. Te levantas. Se acuesta. Keep them attached in your mind like dance partners. If you forget the little pronoun, the sentence can sound incomplete or like you changed the meaning. A common learner mistake is saying just despierto for I wake up. In normal Spanish, you want me despierto. Another common mistake is mixing up me levanto and me lavo. Me levanto is I get up. Me lavo is I wash myself. Similar rhythm, very different morning. Another easy mistake, saying me visto means I wear. It usually means I get dressed. If you want to talk about what you're wearing, Spanish often uses llevar. Llevo una camisa azul. I'm wearing a blue shirt. But for the action of getting dressed, stick with me visto. Let's add a few more natural routine phrases around our main verbs. Me ducho means I take a shower. Me lavo la cara means I wash my face. Me cepillo los dientes means I brush my teeth. Here's a quick side note that helps a lot. In Spanish, with body parts, you often use the article, not a possessive. So not my face in the same way English says it, but the face. Me lavo la cara. Me cepillo los dientes. That's just how Spanish packages it. How do you say I brush my teeth and go to bed in Spanish? Me cepillo los dientes y me acuesto. Me despierto, me levanto y me visto. Me despierto, me levanto y me visto. Me despierto, me levanto y me visto. Good. That repetition of me is not strange. It's correct, and it's very Spanish. How do you say he goes to bed early in Spanish? Se acuesta temprano. Se acuesta temprano. Excellent. How do you say, do you get up at 8 in Spanish? ¿Te levantas a las 8? ¿Te levantas a las 8? Perfect. Great everyday question. Before we finish, let's lock in the memory trick. Think of 4 anchors for your day. Me despierto, me levanto, me visto, me acuesto. Wake up, get dressed, go to bed. If you can say those 4 smoothly, you already have the skeleton of a daily routine in Spanish. And here's another shortcut. Group them by your day. Morning starts with me despierto and me levanto. Getting ready gives you me visto. Night ends with me acuesto. Morning, ready, night. Simple. One more thing to avoid. Don't overthink direct word-for-word translation. English says get up, get dressed, go to bed. Spanish uses reflexive forms naturally. So trust the Spanish pattern instead of trying to force English logic onto it. Let's recap out loud. I wake up, me despierto. I get up, me levanto. I get dressed, me visto. I go to bed, me acuesto. You wake up, te despiertas. She gets up, se levanta. That's the heart of today's lesson. You're doing something really important here, not just learning isolated words, but building a routine you can actually say. And routines are powerful because they repeat every day, which means your Spanish can repeat every day too. So tomorrow morning, even in your head, try this. Me despierto, me levanto, me visto. And at night, me acuesto. Tiny phrases, big progress. Keep going. Your Spanish is becoming more natural, more automatic, and more alive. Muy bien. And see you in the next lesson.